Most people use AI the wrong way. They copy prompts, test random tools, and hope to get good results. But once you understand how AI actually works, everything becomes simple and powerful. So in this video, I'm giving you a clear beginner roadmap for AI. By the end of this, you'll understand AI better than most people using it every day. I'm Taha Asadi. I've spent more than 15 years in tech across different industries. Recently completed Caltech's AI program, and today I want to make AI simple for you. Let's break this down step by step. First, let's start with what AI actually is. AI is not magic. It's not conscious. It's not replacing everyone overnight. AI, at the core, is just a pattern prediction. You give it an input and it predicts the most likely output based on everything it has learned. That simple idea is what allows AI to write, brainstorm, research, generate images, edit video, or even produce music. Once you understand this, AI stops feeling mysterious. It becomes a tool that you can use every day. There are three types of AI you need to know. The first is text AI, tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. These help you write, plan, code, research, and think faster. The second is image AI, tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion. This is for branding visuals, designing, and creative concepts. The third is video and audio AI, tools like Sora, Runway, Pike, 11 Labs, and Suno. This is the future of content and creativity. If you understand these three categories, you can almost do anything with AI. Now let's talk about the beginner roadmap. Most people make this part too complicated. Here's the clean version. Step 1, master core tools. Start with ChatGPT, Claude. Learn how to ask questions better. Learn how to iterate. Learn how to refine the output. Step 2, build one project, a personal AI assistant, a content workflow, a branding package, an automation. Projects create real skill. Step 3, add tools slowly. One image tool, one video tool, one automation tool. That's enough to get started. Step 4, create repeatable workflows. This is where real power is. If you can repeat it, you can scale it. Step 5, turn skills into value. This is when you can start earning, freelancing, automation for businesses, content creation, digital products. AI gives you leverage to do all of these. And here's what you can do today with AI skills that you learn. You can build a personal assistant. You can create videos faster. You can write content. You can build websites and branding. You can automate your daily tasks. You can speed up research. You can produce music or audio ideas. And you can create smarter workflows for your job or side hustle. So you don't need to be a programmer. You just need a process. And now you have one. And if you want to go deeper, I built a free community where I share a step-by-step lessons, tools, workflow. You can join for free. The link is in the description below. And if you want the next video in this series, please hit that like and subscribe. And I'm rooting for you. So see you on the next one.